All right, so now we're over in the Facebook Ads Manager, and we're in the page where we're going to be setting up a new ad. And what we want to do is choose the messages ad objective. So we're going to click on that. Going to give it our ad a name here. So we've chosen the messages ad objective. We've given our ad a name, and we're going to click continue. We have the message destination, so we want to choose Facebook Messenger. Looks like you can also choose WhatsApp now, but we want to do Messenger because ManyChat is connected to Facebook Messenger. In terms of audiences, we want to now select our audience, right? So this is a local bot. So probably what you'd want to do is come in, and I like to use zip codes. I find that we get a better result using zip codes rather than using a town's name and setting a radius. So we're going to put in a few zip codes here. Whoops, I mistyped. All right, so I've got 3 zip codes here. These are surrounding towns near where I live. And of course, you want to adjust your age range. It all depends on what type of business you're working with. So we're going to kind of just leave that open for now. But really, the most important part of this is the location, of course, and then the actual detailed targeting. So we're going to come into the detailed targeting section and type birthday. Sorry. And if we scroll down, we'll see an option that says upcoming birthday. So this is, Facebook deems this as people who are going to have their birthday within 1 week, okay? So we're going to choose that option. So basically we're targeting people within these zip codes. Of course, you choose your age and gender and those things dependent on what type of business you're working with. And then in detailed targeting, the only thing that we have selected is the upcoming birthdays option in demographics. So we're targeting people who are going to have a birthday within the next week. And in terms of placement, you can edit the placements if you'd like. In most cases, I like just using Facebook for this. So we're choosing just Facebook feeds, mobile and desktop. And then of course you're going to choose your budget and then head over to the ad creative. Okay, so now we're on the ad creative page. This is where we're going to actually set up the actual creative part of the ad. And we're also going to be using that JSON code that I told you about earlier when we were in ManyChat. This is where we need to copy that code and use it to set up our messenger message here on this page. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. So let's just quickly run through the steps here. First off, you want to make sure that you have the correct page that you want to be advertising from selected. So we're going to be using Delicious Marketing. Second is format. So you want to choose what sort of ad format you want to use. For the example of what we're doing here, we're going to keep it simple and we're going to use the single image. And that single image is the Facebook ad sized template. So you want to make sure you're using that size if you're using the single image. So we're going to go now and upload that image. I just have a demo image that I created just for this example. It looks kind of horrible. I'm not a good design guy, but we just wanted to have something to use as an example here. So let's select that. And you know, we're using it delicious marketing restaurant. So we've got an image with some food on it and it says happy birthday. The next step is to actually set up the text of the ad. So we can do something like this. So, you know, this is just an example. It's going to vary depending on what sort of niche you're working in or what age group you're targeting. We're just using this as an example. Maybe like in all caps at the top. So just something similar to this, right? Happy upcoming birthday. We know that it's their upcoming birthday because we're targeting people who have a birthday coming in the upcoming week. Come visit us during your birthday week and get a free entree on the house. Click on the button below to claim your free birthday dinner. And this is your headline, so get a free birthday dinner on us. Now you can choose what the call to action button says. I tend to use the Learn More button. We've done a little bit of testing with this, and I found from our testing that we get a better click-through rate on these when using this Learn More comparatively to the Send Message or Sign Up or Contact Us button, right? For some reason, it just tends to get a better click-through rate. You may want to test on your end. It may be different for different niches. But we find that the Learn More button tends to get a better click-through rate. So the next thing that we want to do here is to actually set up our messenger. So what we need to do is tell Facebook here in the Ads Manager what we want to happen when somebody clicks on this Learn More button, because it's going to open up Facebook Messenger and send this person a message. So we need to now program in what that message is going to be. So when you're down here in the Messenger Setup section, we want to click on Custom Template, and then click Get Started. Now we want to choose the JSON option here, so click on that. And it's going to bring up this bunch of code here. And what we want to do is click up here at the very top. Oops. And we want to delete all of this. So we have a blank section here. Now we want to go back into ManyChat, okay? And we want to grab this code from the growth tool that we set up. So we want to select all of this and copy it. And then come back into the Facebook Ads Manager and paste that code in. Okay. So the code is pasted in, and what we can do now is actually preview this in Messenger. So we can click on this little button here, and what that will do is open this message that we just pasted in here. It will preview this in our Facebook Messenger. So let's give that a try. So preview in Messenger. So open up Facebook here. So there it is, right? It says, happy birthday. We would love to treat you to a free meal. Delicious Marketing Restaurant on your birthday. Tap the button below now to claim this offer. We do that. It fires the next message like we had set up in ManyChat. Awesome, David. Just come in the week of your birthday, purchase drink or appetizer, show this message to your server, blah, blah, blah. And then it says underneath, have your server click the button below to redeem your free happy birthday dinner. So let's click that. And of course, it's going to ask us, are you sure? Are you sure that you want to redeem this offer? It can only be used once. So if we click that, there's the next message. We just wanted to wish you a happy birthday one more time. We are honored that you allowed us to be a part of your special day. So, and of course we have subscribed the person who clicks on that to the 3-day reminder message that just gives them a little nudge saying, come on in and use that special offer that we sent you. And then of course also after they've showed that message to the server and they've redeemed it, it's going to remove them from that sequence. So if it's within that 3-day period, they won't get that reminder message. And the greatest thing of all now is that this person, whoever clicks on that ad and goes through this funnel, is now subscribed to that business's bot. And now you can actually begin to build some sort of a relationship with them and send them valuable content and build a long-term relationship. And hopefully they'll become a customer over time. So let's just recap really quickly. Once you have this .json code entered in here and you have your image and your text in here, also have all of your ad set information in terms of your location targeting and your precise demographic targeting, meaning that we want to target people with upcoming birthdays, and your budget and schedule and placements. Once you have all of that set and you've tested your bot and you know that it works, you can come down here and just hit confirm and your bot will be running, okay? So we run this for a few businesses locally, and this is one of those types of campaigns that we always have running in the background. We have a small budget, a daily budget that we're always using running these ads. And it just continually, because Facebook will take that custom audience or that targeting group that you are using in the ad set and will continually update with people who have upcoming birthdays. So this is like one of those things that you can always have running in the background to continually build your list and hopefully bring new people into a business. So guys, this is a really powerful marketing tool for a local business. And I can guarantee you that if you demonstrate one of these birthday lead generation bots for a local business, you will blow their minds. So this is really a great opportunity to do something a little bit different and to really stand out from many other people who are offering local marketing services in your area. Hope you enjoyed this. And of course, if you have any questions or need help or are stuck on anything, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're always happy to lend a helping hand. See you next time on Delicious Marketing Hacks.